I've got a very special guest for today's video. Please give it up for my mum! Mother's Day is just around the corner and Ana Luisa kindly sent me 3 pieces of jewellery, so I thought it would be very cute to do a little try on haul with my mum. I've purposely chosen classic pieces that are feminine, elegant, versatile, and they'll suit all ages. They are fantastic gifts for your mum or yourself. They're currently doing a Mother's Day sale and everything is 15% off. You can just click the link in my description box and it'll add that code into your cart automatically. What I love about Ana Luisa is they take sustainability very seriously. Growing up in an Asian household, mum has always taught us not to be wasteful, so I feel like their value really aligns with ours. If you take design and quality into consideration, their jewellery is super affordable and express shipping is free if you spend over 140 New Zealand dollars, so hurry up and get your mum a gift. If you've watched my Ana Luisa hauls before, which I'll also link in the description box down below, you'll know how much I love their jewellery, but do they live up to mum's expectations? Let's find out! The first piece is this gorgeous moonstone ring. It's 14K gold plated and it has this milky, slightly luminous, translucent moonstone in the middle. It kind of changes colour depending on the lighting. Isn't it pretty? It's so mesmerising to look at. I love the design. I think it's so beautiful. The simplicity makes it very wearable for the everyday, but it's also a design that could catch people's attention. The stone has a bezel setting, which means it's super secure and it's also very lightweight and dainty. It's so gorgeous on its own, but you can totally wear it with some of the rings. It's simple enough to just go with anything. You can also use it as a stacking piece. The gold ball band has an opening, which means it's fully adjustable. It can actually fit from a size 6 up to a size 9, which is awesome because you can just put it on any finger you want. What you do is you just gently pull it apart or squeeze it tighter to adjust the fit. I rate this rose ring 5 out of 5. It's such an elegant, timeless ring that will never go out of style, and I don't think you have to give it too much thought to style it because the design is so simple and elegant and it will just go with most jewellery you've already got, and is adjustable, which means I can choose which finger I want to put it on depending on how I feel. Out of 5, what would you give it?
4.5.
4.5.
Yeah.
點解呢？
It's simple， 可以好容易襯到。同埋個 colour 咧係白色，咩嘢衫都 OK 嘅。
答得好，答得好。My mum's awesome. Next up, I've got these beautiful duo earrings. They're also 14K gold plated. It's an interlinked double hoop design and it has this glossy, polished finish. They're very lightweight and dainty. The diameter of the bigger hoop is actually only 50 millimeters. And guys, I found an Easter egg. There is a little cubic zirconia gem hidden inside the larger hoop. I am in love with the design. I think they are super gorgeous. That whole double hoop situation kind of adds a little bit of movement and playfulness when you walk around, and I think they still look super elegant and understated and just not too shouty. You can also just remove that smaller hoop and you've got yourself some simple gold slips. The quality is absolutely stunning. The post is actually made out of surgical steel, so they're hypoallergenic. The clasp is super sturdy. Hear this click. Just clicks into place and you can hear it when it's secure, so they will never fall out of your ears. I'm giving these earrings 5 out of 5. I can just see them becoming staple pieces in my jewellery collection. They go with pretty much anything in my wardrobe, and I can just see myself dressing them up and down. I can wear them to a dinner date, but I can also wear them to work. What do you think, Mum?
我都覺得係 5 out of 5。
你都5 out of 5啊？
Yes。
點解呢？
佢好似咧，即係早上戴又得，你或者去 shopping 啊，或者去晚飯啊，都好似好 elegant 嘅，好似咩場合戴都 OK 咯。
Okay guys, I saved the blingest for last. These stunning Catherine hoop earrings. They're made out of 100% recycled sterling silver dipped in 14K gold. These hoop earrings have 3 rows of pave cubic zirconia stones and pyramid studs, and they're so sparkly and beautiful. The hoop size is tiny. The diameter is only 12.5 millimeters. They just sort of adorns your ears and adds a little shimmer to your outfit without screaming, "Look at mine." They've actually added these plain gold pyramid studs to break up the design a little, which makes the design very elegant and chic. The quality is again amazing. The post is made out of sterling silver. The design is not a true hoop, so it's got a little opening. I get a little judgmental about the earring bags because I don't like earring bags that are very cheaply and poorly made. Don't worry about these. They're also 14K gold plated, so they won't tarnish easily. I rate these Catherine hoops 5 out of 5. They're very beautiful, elegant and sparkly without looking tacky. I think they work extremely well as a stacking piece, especially if you've got multiple piercings, and they just elevate your whole outfit and gives your look a little more excitement. 媽媽，咁你覺得呢對耳環值幾多分呢？
我都係覺得佢 5 啦。
你又係5啊？點解呢？
因為咧，我覺得佢好適合晚間用嘅。即係佢有少少閃靈 sparkling 咁嘅特色啊！咁咧，如果你晚上咧着啲plain 啲嘅衫咧，就好突出嗰對耳環嘅嗰個 design。
Mum styling tips. Get a notepad and jot it down now. That's it from us, guys. I hope you find something beautiful for your awesome mothers and maybe yourself. Don't forget there's a 15% off for Mother's Day sale. I'm not sponsored or affiliated, but if you stumble across this video after the Mother's Day sale, you can still use my friends and family code to get yourself a little discount. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below, and I promise I'll answer them. You can also check out my previous Ana Luisa videos right here. I've actually reviewed more cute pieces so you can try with your eyes before you buy. And if you like Wikipedia, please hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification so I can hit my next goal in 2021, which is 1,000 subs, and I'm almost there, please. Okay, so final question. Out of these 3 pieces, which one is your favorite?
呢個
即係呢個the duo earrings。咁我就呢對就送俾你做 Mother's Day present. Thank you so much for watching. It's such a fun one, and I hope every mother out there have an awesome Mother's Day because you guys are absolute legends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! My mum. 咁你可以即係岌下頭啊，或者點？即係你唔使好似咁煩。